Hello everyone, welcome to back again now how to make money online. I am share new earning application. See you full video watching now. Let's go start. First time application open and sign up your account, login with Facebook and login with Google. I am use login with Google. Select your Gmail account and open your account. Okay, successful open. First time I am click now invitation options. My invitation code use 500 coins free. Okay, I am use my friend invitation code 500 coins free and I am just click now collect options. How to make money online this please continue this full video watching now. Okay, spin is catch money hit offer available, and first time I am open check-in option, daily check-in and daily check-in reward options and video ad watching and reward bonus free. Okay, and tax offer. Okay, tax complete. Okay, your daily tax and your game level and offer unlimited offer available showing now. Okay, I'm first click now spin option, spin and earning points coins. Okay, spinning. I'm just waiting now. 18 coins free, and I'm just next option click now and balance added. I'm back again now and I'm just click now is catch and earning. Okay, 149 coins earning just watching the full video ad, and 149 coins earning money hit this games play and earning unlimited coins. Okay, I'm playing now and I'm back again now. Offer all options, best offer all option unlimited survey complete and earning now. These games download now and introduction follow, and okay, complete this offer. And iron source not available. I'm just click now offer throw available. I'm just click now fiber available unlimited survey offer available, and games play and earning this games play try again now, and I'm just click now redeem options. PayPal available and payer available. My dollar earning and payment history showing 99,000 coins $3 and payer 99,000 coins $3. Okay, this earning application legit earning application. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.